澳洲的小孩从3年级开始，每年都要离家3天，跟学校的同学们一起去露营。去露营的前一天，我们在家都干了啥？
لا تقعدي ساعة من المدرسة and then come back here go to play group. اوكي خلاص كلهم مع بعض.
Bye, Mom. Yeah, I'm still running. Let's go on the floor.
Mama later is going out. Another two.
During Christmas, you have holiday.
I don't like it now.
I know you don't like it. Let's plan 10 days.
I won't go to Brisbane to be honest.
Do camping.
I don't know, I just want to drive there.
Okay, let's drive there.
Let's go on a road trip basically. Last time when we went to
Go to coast.
no, Kangaroo Island, I like it. You know, I like driving on the road and you see a lot of scenery.
Let's drive there.
I miss you.
You know?
I miss you.
You miss me? I'm here like it. Why you miss me? He's using this I miss you to play on my feelings. Sammy, like, had don't do this or something. There's bye, I miss you. Almost done?
Yep.
哎呀，可以呀。Didn't like my chicken last time. That's why you decided to cook today.
No, you asked me to cook. Don't do you know?
Wait, why do you add flour?
This looks interesting. Can you help me?
Yeah.
Or your mom?
Help you with what?
Can you take the air fryer? I don't want to wash my hand and then again marinate the chicken again. Take the air fryer, please.
Okay.
And spray it with olive oil.
I don't need to spray with olive oil.
Okay, just take it out.
Yeah.
Are you cooking or me? Did I add salt?
You are cooking or I am cooking?
The one he's wearing now has a
Hole?
hole. Brush or you don't brush your teeth still?
I do brush my teeth. I also need a towel for a shower.
Yeah, your towels. And do we need to give him sheets? No, right? Just sleep bag.
把它盖上吧，他得。
Thanks.
谢谢。
You're welcome.
妈妈说谢谢你，要中国话说不客气，不客气。
Percussion.
对。Only gonna eat corn. I need to do that.
Yeah, you need it.
You too. You don't eat rice.
I just realized we have more than one golden.
Okay, gold ribs. Then where is the gold?
I don't know this color. It's
You don't need something like eat on the bus.
They don't prefer food on the bus, but
in the
yeah.
morning. Just give him something in the morning.
Oh, thank you, Baba. We're gonna have a cookhouse.
Ah, I know.
We're gonna make our own burger. So basically, go to a fancy restaurant.
Wow, juicy, baby. 大米，你再想一想，谁做的饭好吃？爸爸。
Mama.
哎呀，是妈妈做的饭好吃是吧？
You and me, you and me.
How about me? I cook food.
I could call Mama.
是的，哎，对，你今天帮妈妈弄那个玉米了哈。
The flour.
Is that why the skin is more it's crunchy? Huh?
Crunchy, right? Here you can see. Yeah. Before to.
Okay, I can kiss.
No, don't kiss me. Sit down and eat.
But can I kiss you? Why?
Okay. No?
Why?
Cut me, come.
Oh. I'm sad.
You're fake.
I'm sad.
Sure?
Yes.
Sad, don't laugh. Don't laugh.
No fun. No fun. I don't know.
Sammy, what did you pack? Again, in details
Close back.
and numbers. تعال هنا.
So I take out 2 warm jumpers
Why? Since when you take...
Yeah, why now you took jumpers?
because we have a night walk. And I'm no fool.
Okay, and then
A t-shirt.
long sleeve.
T-shirt.
Okay.
And then I got shorts and a pants.
Okay.
And I got two pairs of socks. Don't shout. And 2 underwears.
Are the socks same color?
Yes, sir.
你今天晚上不要睡在 sleeping bag 里面。你要是今天晚上睡在 sleeping bag，我再也不会相信你了。
Oh, I feel your mom has a lot of evidence now. Don't say okay for no reason.
哦，
I just need to know so I can fit in my bag.
I'm confused dimension.
I don't know maths.
Why?
I'm not that smart.
Don't need it?
I need it, but wait.